Hi everyone, my name is Mavis and you are watching May's Creation Stage. In my last video, I promised you guys that I was going to teach you how I made this beautiful hairpiece, and here I am. I'm going to take you through the steps I took to make this beautiful hairpiece here. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe and like the video and share it for others to also get to know May's Creations YouTube. So you need our scissors for cutting. Maybe there will be a need for plier and our beads. I have already told you I love working with these beads. Okay, so this is royal blue right here. Later on I will add white to it. This is my fishing line. I'll use both 0.4 and 0.7. So I'll start by picking 4. So I'll fix 3. I will cross the 4th one like this. I know you guys are familiar with this step or this procedure, so I'll go ahead and pick 3. Fix 1 on the left fishing line, 1 on the right fishing line, and then I will cross the 3rd one. Okay. Almost half of my videos on the channel I started with this procedure, and so I'll just skip repeating the steps. If you want to know more about it, I have a particular video on that. I will leave the link in the description box so you check it out. So here we have 2, 1, 2. So you are going to be doing 25 of it. So 1, 2, we need to do 23 more. Okay, so here we are. Here I have 24, so I'm going to add the last one, and then so last I'll pick 3, but here I will fix all the 3 beads on any of the fishing line. You just have to be on one side like this, because we are going to tie a knot. You wouldn't want to cut it out here, so I'm going to pass the rest of my fishing line through, so I get to a part where I'll be okay. Alright, so this is our band. Okay, so we are going to fix it on it like this. Okay, like this. So that is when our 0.4 mm comes in. So this one I use 0.7, and I'm going to use 0.4 to do the sewing, and I have already fixed my needle on it. So I will tie a knot at the tip or at the end here. So just watch me as I sew it. So So that is when our plier comes in. And this is how we are going to sew it. I will enter this bead here, this bead, with my needle. And go back through the band like this. I will enter the same bead again but this time I'm not going to sew it to the band. Watch me. I will enter this bead here, this one. Please be pulling the fishing line as you go along. So I entered this bead and I came to enter this one as well. And here I'm going to sew it on the band like we did. So let me just remove it and show you. Just the top, okay. And I'll enter this bead again. When you cut your fishing line very long, it gets tangling up. Okay, so because this is where the beading starts, that is why I fixed this and then I came to fix this one. But from here I will skip one and then fix this one. I will skip this, fix this. So just watch. So instead of sewing this to the band, I will not. So I'll continue entering the beads. And then I will sew this one rather to the band. So I fixed these two, I skipped this one and I came to sew this one. Do you get it? Yeah, I'm sure. Just make sure your needle comes up and not down here. So that is how I'm going to sew this all Okay, I have gotten to this far, so I'll just do the last two sewing, then we move on to the next procedure. Okay, all right, and here we are all done. You can just leave it like this, like you can just do it with any color of your choice. There are so many colors. You can do it plenty and you can just sell it. Okay, this is beautiful, but no, I am not going to leave it like this. Okay, I'm going to be adding 5 beads on there. So that is why I didn't cut my fishing line. So still with the 0.4 fishing line, I'll pick 3 white beads. Okay, and look at where the fishing line is coming out from. It's coming out from here and not here. So I will pass my needle through this, or I'll enter this bead, and I'll make sure that my needle comes out in the same direction this fishing line is coming out. So just watch. So like this and not like this. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. But if you think, or if you don't want you see that there is a hole here, so if you don't want that much hole, you can just remove one and then you make it two. Okay, then you continue. So now we are picking 2 instead of 3. Then enter the next bead. So we are dealing with the middle bead here. So the next middle bead here, I will enter the bead like that. Okay, so you see, next 2. So I'll enter it like this, in this way. Okay, so you see like this. So I'm going to continue doing this so I get to the end here, and it's left with the last one and we are done. And here so watch me as I tie off my fishing line. Then I'll just make a knot in the middle of these 2 white beads. Anyhow you tie your knot, or anyhow you end your fishing line, just make sure it won't come off. And whoo, we are done. Wow, This is so beautiful, nice, and it's simple. Okay, it's simple. You can just wear it to wedding, church, anywhere at all. And you can also make them and sell them. Very simple. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you the same method but not with this embellishment here. So if you want to know how I'm going to do it, please subscribe if you have not. Okay, so you won't miss any video I upload, and share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.